We have just found a frozen waterfall. This place looks absolutely amazing. I'll try and get some awesome footage. I might even try and get the drone up in the air. Check it out. How awesome is this? Look at that. I've never seen a waterfall like that before. The whole river is just frozen completely over. I think it's time to get the drone out. So we're back in Tallinn and it's started snowing. It's so cool here when it's snowing. We're going to grab some shots of the old square and we're going to head to dinner, which is this awesome little place. I don't know if I can video. I tried videoing the other day, but I wasn't able to video. Finally we made it! Betty told me she'd done this before, as you can see from the footage, she hasn't done this before. You feel more confident now, Betty? Zoomed in. So yeah, I'm gonna stop vlogging there tonight, mainly because I don't have anything else to talk about and I'm cold and we're going home. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not. I'll see you next time.